Hey guys, hope you're doing well. So in this video, I'm going to tell you, does affiliate marketing work? What is the pros and cons of making money with affiliate marketing? Alright, my name is Andy. I'm the internet marketing since the last 2 years, and on my YouTube channel, I share some tips and tricks related to internet marketing. So if you want to keep learning from me about affiliate marketing, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Affiliate marketing is a logical and flexible sales model that creates multiple income streams. However, it is not an easy get-rich-quick model of income. Earning an income through affiliate marketing, it requires a lot of things that you need to do. First, you need to do a research into products, web traffic patterns, and the followers' interests. Then you also need to get a consistent engagement with your products and brand networks that you choose to endorse. Also, hours of maintaining a relationship with the readers or followers who purchase the product through your affiliate links. And then understand how to use search engine optimization and social media marketing to consistently attract new followers and generate more income. Affiliate marketing is a viable income option, but it does not work for every business. Making an income through affiliate marketing requires dedication and commitment over a long period of time. Like any form of self-employment or business models, affiliate marketing has both advantage and disadvantage. Understanding these will help you to decide whether affiliate marketing is a good fit for your financial and your business goals. Let's talk about the pros of affiliate marketing in today's day. Affiliate marketing is ideal for bloggers, coaches, information entrepreneurs, and those who build and maintain their own digital properties such as YouTube channels. These are many aspects of affiliate marketing that make a good income business model, including low overhead costs. So most affiliate programs are free to join, so that your costs are usually only just related to your referral and marketing methods. The next is no physical products. There is no need to create a product or service because you are choosing one of the product that already exists. You don't have to stock or ship your products. That's the best things about affiliate marketing. Flexibility. You can work anytime and from anywhere as long as you have internet access and computer. Next is a supplemental income. There's a passive income potential with affiliate marketing, depending on how you market your affiliate program. It can be added to your current home business to create an additional income stream too. Let's talk about the cons of the affiliate marketing. Like any business models, there's drawbacks and challenges in affiliate marketing as well, including time. It takes a commitment and experiment over a length of time to generate the amount of traffic needed to your affiliate marketing business to get the result in income. And then lost payment. Affiliate hijacking can occur in which that you're not given credit for your referral. Some companies fail to pay their affiliate marketers too. Next, lack of control. You have no control over the business fulfillment on any given products or services. A bad affiliate program can ruin your credibility with your followers, and also it's crucial that your research and select the quality products. Competition. Affiliate marketing is a highly competitive field. Many affiliates promote the same products and compete for the same traffic and customers. It can be difficult to get approved as an affiliate for popular companies or products. Next, lack of ownership. The customers belongs to the merchant. Your stats will let you know how many sales were made on what product, but in most cases, you will have no information about who made the purchase. This can be difficult to tap into recurring sales in the future. How to be successful in affiliate marketing? It can be difficult to earn a steady income from affiliate marketing, and even more difficult to stand out among marketers promoting the same products. Once you build up a website, blog, newsletter, or social media, so there are steps you can take to become successful and generate a more reliable revenue stream. Here are some steps you need to do in order to be successful in affiliate marketing. Know your partners. You need to research each affiliate program that you consider joining in so that you will understand how and when you will be paid. Next, build trust. Buy the products you intend to market so that you can personally attest to the quality of the product. You will be judged by the product or service that you promote. So focus on the quality of your own brand and recommendations, not just try to get the earning potential. Your followers will come to trust your recommendation and more likely to buy from you later on. Next, have a brand. Choose affiliate items that match your needs and the content of your blog. Don't rely on SEO or social media alone to drive people to your website. Affiliate referrals. Understand who your target market is and where you can find your audience and how to drive the audience come to your website. Next is use variety. Mix and match affiliate ads so that don't overwhelm your visitors, with the same ad over and over again. Content embedded affiliate links usually have the best click-through rates over the image link. Consider using a lead page and funnel system to market your affiliate business. Convert your prospect to your email list with a free offer and include links to your affiliate product page. Next, know the legal requirements. Most visitors will probably understand that advertisement leads to your personal compensation, but if you write a review or use in the text link as a recommendation, you must explicitly state that each purchase using that link can generate revenue for you. This is not just a good business practice, it's also required by law. So if you don't disclose affiliate or revenue generating on the links, then you could face legal and financial penalties. Track your traffic and earnings. Always monitor the success of your affiliate programs, particularly if you work with several different ones. Know which programs are the most successful and which product resonate with your followers so that you can plan your future campaigns. Like any other type of home business, success in affiliate marketing depends on investing the time and effort to grow your business and build relationship with your customers and your partner's brand. If you decide to pursue affiliate marketing, understand that it's not a fast or automatic business model in a quick time, but it is possible to earn a reliable and legal income as an affiliate marketer. So if you want to build a successful affiliate marketing business in a professional way, you can find the link in the description below. And if the information in this video is helpful, please like this video. It will help the algorithm a little bit. And if you have any question, you can also comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please watch my other 2 videos here. And this video will help you to learn more about affiliate marketing. You have a lovely day, and I'll see you in the next video.